It's Stealth D with me time. So there's this secret to getting your affiliate links in email boxes. Yes. So what this means is if you want to get your affiliate links to crypto or Binance or for any affiliate marketing tools, or oh my God, even if you're Mary Kay or Legal Shield, all these little Tupperware places, oh my goodness gracious, you can literally get inboxed. The secret is out. So excited. It was the first time that I've ever heard about it. So click the link below, check it out. It's like $12, dude. It's so cheap. And so everybody that listens to the infomercial and you love it and you get it for 12 bucks, email me at info@howforyou.com and you will join the webinar I'm doing on how to do it. And that is Tuesday at 10 a.m. All right, so you got to email me your receipt.